After this video, I swear I'm gonna take action. I'm really tired of sitting on the sidelines. I cannot do it anymore, seriously. I'm 28 years old, soon to be 29, and I haven't done anything with my life. When I was in my 20s, I thought I would be rich, freaking rich, and I'm not. I'm broke. So hear me out in this video. I'll be brutally honest on my plans. I've watched videos on how to make money online, so many freaking videos, and all the time I got no results. And I suppose that you are on my video because you feel the same. You are a new starter, you are a beginner, you are a forever beginner. You never got some result, something to motivate you. So when you lost your motivation, what did you do? You just quit. I did the same. So be honest with me, how many times have you watched these how to make money online videos? You got all excited and you wanted to try something new. Then you tried that something new or motivated, but then you see no sales, you see no progress, and then you quit. And you go back to scrolling on TikTok again or on YouTube search. I know that feeling because I've been there so many times. I have tried everything. I have tried dropshipping, I have tried Etsy, print on demand, Amazon, Etsy, eBay, anything you can think of, I've tried it. But I was throwing ideas to the wall and hoping for something to stick. But spoiler alert, nothing stuck. Nothing worked for me, and I know the reason why right now. And I'm gonna tell you in this video what's this reason. Every time I felt a little bit overwhelmed, what did I do? I quit, and I told myself that I need a little break. A little break. The biggest mistake that kept me stuck is
jumping from one idea to another.
Dropshipping, TikTok, Etsy, everything. I was doing everything at once, and that overwhelmed me, and that overtired me. And then I said to take a break. And if I took a break every time that I felt tired, I would probably still be on break, honestly. Now, even with YouTube, I haven't uploaded on YouTube for 3 months. Because when I gave birth, I told myself, I gave birth, I need time to rest. No, I don't need time to rest. I don't want to rest. I don't want to do something with my life. But what happened was that I lost my motivation. The motivation faded. Bye-bye. It went away. And then I realized something very big. Motivation doesn't get you anywhere. Showing up does. If you show up and you make a small step every day, that's what is going to help you succeed. So here what I will do differently in 2025.
Focusing on just 2 things.
This time I will keep it simple as possible. Which means I will only focus on 2 things online, on 2 ways to make money online. That's it. 2 things, that's it.
Documenting everything wins, fails, all of it.
Secondly, I will document everything. Everything I do, I will document it. This video over here that you see right now is document. Yeah, finally I'm showing up. I will document everything, even the fail. You will see that too. If I fail on what I'm planning to do, you will see my failure. So stick around. This must be fun. Oh no.
Not stopping this time, no matter what.
And finally, this time I'm not stopping. This time I will carry on no matter what. And I promise to my viewers that. 2 things I'm going all in are YouTube, because YouTube is a massive opportunity for long-term success. But you need to keep showing up. I can make big things with YouTube. I've got a lot of knowledge. I've got so many things to teach you guys. Not only about making money online, but about life experience. I am 29 years old, but I feel like 49 sometimes because I have so much life experience, and I can draw on this life experience and I can give back to you guys. So you can start doing something for yourself. And the second thing I need to focus on in 2025 is TikTok shop. Because I live in the UK and this is a great opportunity and market that people are sleeping on. You can make lots of money with TikTok shop. I'm not trying to sell you any course about TikTok shop. I just saw it with my eyes. There's a massive, enormous opportunity on TikTok shop. Let me close the lamp. Oh my goodness, so hot. There was a lamp, guys. So light thing. I don't have a ring light, sorry about that. I'll take care of it.
Why would anyone follow you or me?
Okay, so if I want to make this work, I need to stand out from the crowd. And you need to stand out too from the crowd. So I need to find something or myself that makes me different from others. What could that be? Write me in the comments before I answer that. I know what it is. Let me know in the comments. What do you think? What do you think you see differently? What do you think? What do you think that makes me unique and different? I'm waiting. You don't need to pause the video. Write something good, yeah? You can write something bad also, but you love me. Do it. Okay, that's enough. So now I'm gonna let you know how to stand out from the crowd like me. AKA, why would anyone follow you and know anybody else? For me, is my background. I am Romanian. I've been raised in Greece and I live in the UK for the past 10 years. I don't think we have lots of Romanians who were raised in Greece and now live in the UK. I think I'm very unique. We are a handful, me and my siblings. So because of that, my accent is a mix of everything. Romanian, Greek, and a little bit of British. I try to, but it's very... Your accent, guys, is really hard and you have so many different accents that I can't catch up on any... Oh, never mind, that's not the point. Anyway, let's continue. So other than that, I do have a friendly face. You see my face is very friendly. I can be your friend anytime. I can hold your heart if you want to tie your shoe or something like that. I don't know. And most importantly, I will never judge anyone. And I will never make anyone feel stupid because they don't know something about a certain topic. I will never do that. Because I know myself that I don't know everything. That's why. Okay, so now tell me down below in the comments, what makes you different? What do you think that makes you different? And I will visit your channel and I will leave you a comment and let you know what I like about your content. Sounds good? Okay.
Why you need to start now?
Okay, so if you're planning to start a YouTube channel or to start a side hustle or anything, if you want to start anything in your life, you need to start right now. This video is a sign for you. You have to start it right now, my friend. Otherwise, you will never start like me. You will take a break. No, start right now. So, why do you need... Okay, so I'll speak about my experience. I'm always thinking that, oh my goodness, the market is so saturated and I'm very late. You are not late at all. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time to start is right now. So, about TikTok shop. You see, when you're scrolling on TikTok, a lot of advertising videos are coming across your feed, and you see some products that they're basically useless, but for some reason you want to buy these products because the guy or the girl in the video advertised this so good that you want to buy it and you want to have it to see if they're telling the truth about the product. That's what happened with my siblings. They are obsessed with TikTok shop and they started buying many things. My sister bought for her child and my brother bought for himself. So he decided to buy a perfume for me and he bought it at £10. Then I was scrolling through TikTok and I saw the same perfume at £4. And I thought, oh, that's a good advertisement. Look, guys, my brother is so silly. He bought this perfume £10 and I found it with 4, so you can tap the link below and you can buy it. It's really nice perfume. I just decided, so this was a random video of me advertising a perfume that my brother bought, not me. And I thought, no man, and I thought no one is gonna buy this perfume because it's like, it's not Dior. But a week later, someone bought that perfume and I got an affiliate commission. I was like, what? It was a random video and with a lot of background noise. Seriously, I made money with nothing. Imagine if I put work in that. What could happen? I could make thousands of pounds. And then hit me. Yes, I will focus on TikTok shop. And YouTube, I love sport. And YouTube, I love talking. As you see, I can't stop talking. I love it. It's wonderful. I can't stop. I have a lot of things to teach you guys. And seriously, I will teach you a lot of things through my TikTok, through my YouTube channel. And you will see me thriving. I would like to be an inspiration for you guys. You just need to follow. So here's the truth. You don't need to be rich. You don't need to be beautiful. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start something if you want. But I'm sure that you won't. That's why you're watching this video. So my plan is to make a playlist on YouTube, this YouTube channel, where I will document everything I'm doing on TikTok shop, and I will show you every step on from how to record a video to how to market a product, and I will show you exactly if I succeed or if I fail. So if you want, stick around, follow me, subscribe to my channel if you want. If you don't want, I will appear on your feed because you watched till the end of my video. And if you want to support me, please leave a comment and let me know if I motivated you enough with this video. I'm happy you stay till the end. See you. Oh, before you go, the next video that you watch will be about how to make your first TikTok shop video to advertise a TikTok product. Okay, have a good night, morning, whatever. Bye. Kiss you. Bye. Not kiss. See you in the next video. Probably in a day. See you probably in a day. I hope so. Bye bye.